Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you how you can disable the Snapchat calls. For that, make sure you have installed Snapchat on your phone and update it to enjoy the latest features of Snapchat. As other social media platform, Snapchat allows to interact through the voice or the video calls. If you think this is annoying, then you can just disable it by following the simple and easy step. So first of all, just open the Snapchat. First, you need to go to the camera screen and tap on the chat icon. On the bottom left corner, you can see, just tap on it, and then we know that there is no other function to disable the calls on the Snapchat. Just hold on the conversation with the friend you want to turn off the calls, and you can see the chat setting over here, and then you can see just toggle the message notification and turn off it. Now the messages and the calls notification won't be received on the Snapchat. So from following this way, you can just disable the calls or messages. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.